Dr. Shivaji Suratkar, Standard 3rd, Division A. My topic name is Teacher Day Speech. We celebrate Teachers Day on 5th September. Every year in India, September 5th is marked by the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and the Teacher Day is celebrate combination of the birthday. Teachers are the pillar of country. But they are the reason behind the successful career of a student teacher like Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam are some of the renowned names that have given meaning to the word teacher. Savitribai Phule is regarded as the family teacher of India. She was a feminist, a social reformer who worked for the and a poet too. On this special occasion, wish to convey my best wishes and greeting to all teachers gathered here and to all those who have helped attain success in my academic. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day to all.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Jay Devidas Shinde, Standard 3rd, Division A, roll number 41. Today I am going to talk on Teachers Day. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Para Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. In India, 5th September celebrated as Teachers Day. Also, it is known as Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's birthday. Teachers are very important part of students' life. They help us to shape up our life. They guide us, they inspire us, they motivate us. Teachers are the candle to my life. I am deeply thankful that you are my teachers. Wish you all Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
My name is Vignesh Sachin Singh, Standard 3rd, Division B. My topic name is Teachers Day. Good afternoon. Good morning to all respected teachers and all dear friends. Wish you all very happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5 September every year in India. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great president, a great scholar, and an excellent teacher. Teachers are the backbone of our society. We should always obey and respect our teachers. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Sajan, Standard 3rd, Division A. My topic name is Teachers Day. Thank you, my teacher, for teaching us everything. You dino-pad or hand to clear it, mind it, thinking. Thank you, my teacher, for us, for hardworking. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Guru the Brahma, Guru the Vishnu, Guru the Deva Maheshwara, Guru the Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurudev Namaha. Good morning. Hello everyone. My name is Anshula Jishkunuja, Standard 3rd, Division C. We celebrate Teachers' Day September every year in India. Teachers' Day celebrated in remind of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan as it is his birthday. As we all know that it is impossible to define teacher as teachers are not only limited to teaching or guiding students in assignments but also helping them to take the night path. They add value to your deck and make use us ideal citizens of the country. On the special day, I wish to convey my best wish and greeting to all the teachers. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Good afternoon, my teachers, all my friends. My name is Vignesh Parmeshwar Dole and study in 3rd standard C division. Today I am telling about Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and it is my honor to talk about our dear teachers on this wonderful occasion. Our teachers are very kind and helpful of us. Always my teachers very sweet and just like a mother to me. We celebrate Teachers Day on 5th September every year in India. 5th September marked by the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and Teachers' Day celebrated of his birthday. Thank you. Good afternoon, my teachers, all my friends. My name is Vignesh Parmeshwar Dole and study in 3rd standard C division. Today I am telling about Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and it is my honor to talk about our dear teachers on this wonderful occasion. Our teachers are very kind and helpful of us. Always my teachers very sweet and just like a mother to me. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September every year in India. 6th September marked by the birth anniversary in of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and Teachers' Day celebrated of his birthday. Thank you.
Good morning, teacher. My name is Veera, Standard 3rd Division A. I live in Airoli. Topic is my favorite teacher. My favorite teacher is Rupali Miss, Prachi Miss and Kuldeep Miss. She is teaching all subjects. I am proud is my teacher. I am. Thank you.
All respected teacher, parents and all my dear friends. As all of you know, we all are here to celebrate Teachers' Day. I am going to read Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day celebrate on 5 September with whom joy happiness. 5 September is birth anniversary. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who is great teacher. He was also present our country. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Yashi, Standard 4, Division B. Today my topic is on Teachers Day. Wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th of September every year in India. The first Teachers Day was celebrated in India 1962 on September 5. It is the birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna President Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great president, a great scholar and an excellent teacher. Teachers' Day is the best way for students to express love and respect for their teacher. Every teacher is a reflection of his or her student. Teachers are the backbone of our society, so I tell you something about teacher. सही क्या है, गलत क्या है, ये सब बताते हैं शिक्षक. झूठ क्या है, सच क्या है, ये सब समझाते हैं शिक्षक. बंद हो जाते जब सारे दरवाजे, नया रास्ता दिखाते हैं शिक्षक. सिर्फ किताबी ज्ञान ही नहीं, जीवन जीना सिखाते हैं शिक्षक. जीवन जीना सिखाते हैं शिक्षक. So thank you teachers.
Wishing a very good morning to my respected principal, my teachers and my dear friends. I am Yogini Ramesh Vangankar and today I have to share my some thoughts on Teachers Day. I feel honored to get this opportunity to express my gratitude towards my teachers. Teachers are our guides whom we look up to. On this day, I convey my best wishes to my teachers. Teachers form the building blocks of our lives. They stand as sturdy pillars supporting every student. Teachers selflessly in making us grow up into responsible human beings. They are our other parent who takes our of full responsibility in helping us grow. Thank you.
My name is Sarthak More. Today Teachers Day. Good morning to all principal, teacher, parents and my friends. My teacher name is Nivedita Miss. We should always respect our teacher Teacher Day is celebrated on 5th September every year in India. The first Teacher Day was celebrated in India 1962 in September. Wish you all very happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Good afternoon to the respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friend. My name is Purnima Jagjan Kamble, Standard 4, Division B. My topic is the Teacher Day. Today is Teacher Day. Teacher Day celebrated on 5th September every year. 5th September is birth anniversary of Dr. Swarnapalli Radhakrishna, who was the second president of India. He was brilliant teacher. I love my teacher. I miss you, my school teachers and my friend. Thank you.
My name is Harshita Chandraprakash Marshi, Standard 4, Division A. Topic Teacher Day. A teacher is a person who helps people to learn. A teacher often work in a classroom. There are many different kinds of teachers. Some teachers teach children in our school. My name is Rakshita Parmarshi, Standard 4, Division A. Topic Teacher Day. A teacher day is the one who will help you become a better person and an important one. They see the of their students when no one can. Teacher also the foot of us the is in their hand. Thank you.
My name is Pranjal Moria, Standard 4th, Division B. My topic, favorite teacher. There are many teachers in my school, but I like Prachi ma'am very much and Nivedita ma'am also. She is very hardworking. She teaches us all subjects. She is very polite. All the students like her very much. She loves all students. She has many good habits. When we do not understand anything, she repeatedly explains. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day.
मैंने मैडम के ऊपर से कविता लिखा हूँ। मेरी मैडम सबसे अच्छी, हम बच्चों की दोस्त से सच्ची, बहुत प्यार से हमें पढ़ाती, खेल खेल में अच्छी बात सिखाती। थैंक यू।
My name is Sharul Rajesh Prakash, Standard 4, Division A. Topic my favorite teacher. My favorite teacher is Rupali Miss. She is teaching very nice. I like teacher very much because she is friendly and caring towards everyone.